What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Ste F Unmasked. Today I'm going to be opening up some fan mail that you guys have sent me. Now, as you can see, I got quite a few letters here, and I don't know if I want to make a 45-minute video. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick a couple of these letters, open them up, and then save the rest for another video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple of these ones, and then I'm going to leave these ones for a later video. The first one here we got from Cyrus. I won't show you the address. And this envelope, it feels really heavy, and it feels super thick, so we're going to find out what we got in here. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I can't get it open. Okay, there we go. Okay, oh, oh, I see something else in here. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure nothing else is in here. Okay, so there we go. There's all that. Okay, so I got quite a bit of stuff. These look like photos or pictures. And they are. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's see if the camera can pick that up. There we go. We have the Part 4 Jason death scene, which is actually my favorite Friday the 13th movie of all time. So that is super awesome. And then dude, this is sweet. Okay, we got the Part 3 death scene as well. So this is freaking fantastic. I absolutely love this. Is the type of stuff that I love getting from you guys, because you can tell you put your heart and soul and you actually put some effort into making something that's unique and special. This is super cool. Okay, we got one more thing here. Okay, it's a little letter. Let me go ahead and read this here real quick. Okay, so it says, hello, CS5 Unmasked. I'm a huge fan. I love your videos, and I'm making a Part 4 Jason costume as we speak. Cyrus. Cyrus, thank you so very much. I want to see your Part 4 as soon as you're done. Please let me know as soon as it's complete. Okay, and then the last one here I'm going to open up today. Let me go ahead and move these out of the way. I'm going to get some picture frames, and I'm going to get these framed up. Okay, and this one here is from Brody. Again, I crossed out his address. This is pretty big, and it says "Do not bend." So I'm hoping this is going to be super cool. It's probably going to be the greatest thing ever created. You know, he wrote "Do not bend," and I'm actually really surprised that the Postal Service did not bend it. Okay, so I can see there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, just a couple things in here. It looked like there was more in there. Let me make sure. Okay, it's just the two. Okay, I'm going to set this down here. Okay, so it says, please put this in the video. Thank you. And my YouTube is Captain Fun. All right, so if you guys want to go check out Captain Fun right there, go to his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can go check him out. This is freaking amazing. And let me check this out. Okay, so this is amazing. Okay, so check this out. Hopefully you guys can see this well. So this is, what is Friday the 13th? A 24-hour nightmare of terror. And then we got, we got the Jasons here. We got Part 4. We got the Pamela Voorhees tombstone. We got Uber Jason right there. Oh my god. Looks like it looks like a Part 3 right here. Hold on if you can see that. Looks like Part 3. We got Part 2. And then we got, of course, the Jason Voorhees little tombstone there. This is simply amazing. I absolutely love this. Let me stare at this for a little while. This is super awesome. Oh wow, this is amazing. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Check this out. We got right there, right in the middle. We got little hand coming out of the water. Could be young Jason. Could be boy Jason right there. This is sweet. This is really, really cool. Awesome. You know what? Let me grab the other ones real quick. All right, let's go and do a little recap here. So from Brody, we got this epic little poster, little montage poster, if you will. Go check out his YouTube channel, Captain Fun. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. And then, of course, from our guy Cyrus, we got the infamous Part 3 death scene. I love that one. That was super scary when I was a kid. And then my all-time favorite right here, Jason Part 4 death scene. I literally could not have drawn this any better myself. Awesome. All right, everybody, I want to thank you so much for sending me fan mail. I honestly do not deserve it, but the joyous thing is it's nice to see like-minded folks like yourself communicating in illustrated form. I absolutely love this type of stuff. Now, if you guys want to send me some fan mail, and again, you're not obligated by any means, I'm going to go ahead and put my address on the screen right now. And please feel free to send me something. No food or drink. I'm not going to open that up. I'm just going to immediately throw it away because I'm sorry, I don't trust food or drink that is mailed from strangers. So, all right, everybody. Until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.